Hello everyone, welcome back to Ins Electronics. So this is an original Panasonic made 1000 microfarad 50 volt electrolytic capacitors. This is made in Japan and this is expensive. This is around 300 rupees per piece. And when I got it, we found some issues with this. And that issue is actually pretty serious, that this is actually a silent killer of SMD electronic circuits. This thing that you see right here on the screen is called a tin whisker. Can you see that tiny little thing, like that sharp metal thing? It looks like a needle, and it is indeed a needle which grows from the surface of a tin plated item. And you can see the growth has started in this. And these kind of things can cause a lot of issues in SMD electronic circuits, because when you try to place this in any SMD circuits, let me give you close up through this eyepiece lens. So when you try to mount this, yeah, there you go, this thing. So this is pretty small because the growth has just started, but trust me, this thing can grow a few millimeters in length, and this can create a short circuit in an SMD circuit. And because it's a short circuit, the moment it is shorted, this tin whisker will actually evaporate and removing all the evidence of a short circuit. So you will be wondering, how does that even becomes a short, because the tin whisker is already gone by that time. And these kind of things are the reason why it is called a silent killer, because you can see here in this is inside the capacitor, by the way. Yeah, you can see it pretty much right there. So that's what I was saying, that these things are called as a silent killer of electronic SMD circuits, because you will not see these things coming if you are not checking it through an optical microscope. Under the normal visual inspection, you cannot spot these kind of items unless they are like a little bit larger in length. But these kind of growths, these are the starting stage, so you have to avoid these kind of things at the early stage itself. So in this case, we are going to reject these components, even though this is original Japan made item. Doesn't matter, because it's going to affect the reliability of the circuit which it is going to be placed on. So I think these this might be a new information for at least a few people out there. So that's why I decided to make this video about how some SMD circuits fail in a mysterious way. These could be the reasons behind that. So I hope the video was useful. If it is, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you with another video.